Know how where you no go day in love. Just know how. AJ baby is your baby in the building. ADEKUNLE go.
That's good.
Certified.
I love your hairstyle. It's been a while I saw you.
I know. I dey roll with that transformation just like you. I not sure say get any artist, maybe in Africa, I'm not sure, where they move with the transformation the way where you they go.
Will they try?
I'm not sure. Maybe you need to tell us. You're gonna need to teach us what be those ingredients where you they put in.
Just today, they true to yourself. They live your life. Just the sincerity.
Yes.
Like I feel like sincerity is super underrated. People know they too put for most people not gimmicks, but for me, not just truth. And time safe. People they rush them. Me, all this thing will happen now. I don't they plan them day.
Yeah.
So finally, don't they happen? We thank God.
And it's like boom, you dare our face every day. Catch me if you can. You sure so go fit catch up.
When I'm not go fit catch. Now I call that name. Catch me.
I know.
What's the pidgin version of catch me if you can?
If you not fit, catch me. If you not fit.
Yeah, if you not fit.
So I want to know exactly when, at what time, where that inspiration for the name of that album come your mind.
Now 2020 when I write the song Catch Me If You Can.
Yes.
Because the album take me 2 years, just like every other album.
2 years.
Yeah. My album will take me 2 years. Me, I know they like rush song. Now why are they always put my back for every song? Because it take time to do. It take time to experience things. Where we say I go put for the song.
Yes.
So yeah, I wrote the song 2020 inside pandemic. When nobody no girls come out today inside house. So now when I write the song, I know say now which I won't call the album be this.
Awesome. I love that name, and that name go make anybody whenever even listen. I know sure so many people that listen already streaming, but anybody whenever really listen go like listen because so you go fit catch up. Now you make them even more difficult for us. I know sure say we go fit choose any favorite song because all of them are like back. But tell me a particular song, whether it gets anyone where be saying when you be they plan them or they sing them or they try arrange them, it been register something, it be make you like pause, say the song get a very huge meaning for me.
Nah, the Catch Me If You Can song.
Same Catch Me If You Can.
Now that song, because I know say that song, the way it take come to me, I know say no be just ordinary. The things where they talk for the song, how did they call them? It just hold me when I be write the song. I know say this song, now one of my favorite on the album. So. Yeah, that Catch Me If You Can song. Now be
one of the one. Now we'll talk about the features and selecting people where you want put inside this album. Tell me.
Me, I go just as I don't think I go just enter their DM.
Yes.
Send them say, Omo, I like this song. Go when at the right time, your name just they come my head. Alpha mood do am. That's why I reach out to everybody except Ty Dolla Sign. Now only that one I don't reach out to because I know see I'm coming. My people just go carry the song behind my back, go send and give them. The guy writes verse on top of the song.
Yes.
I did America, they just play the song for me and say, how did it happen? We come in that enter studio. I come to teach my guy how he go talk ofen sala. Church agbasa. All these things. As I teach the guy pidgin.
You write them, then you will come pronounce it.
With this studio, I don't post the video for my YouTube say. With this studio, I go teach him. He go enter studio, he go say no, he never get him. The guy they very thorough. So now I know say me and I go fit work with the guy.
You turn to teacher sharp.
I teach him.
But I love High.
Thank you.
He get this aura. He get this thing about him. That even if you're not in a good mood, he could just bring you out. You just pop. He could just pop for your head. Now the videos, the one we don't come out, which one and which one?
Oh, so new videos coming out for Mercy.
Yes.
Mercy. Yeah, big shout out to Abafrayo. We bless me with the chorus. And then it's in presence for the video.
Yes.
More than they expect Mercy. And of course, one woman go drop, fire go drop, more than enough.
Everything.
This year.
We can't get enough. I'm not sure so we'll go fit catch up anyways. We don't hear the name Catch Me If You Can. The fans, I'm so sorry. I know so now go begin to bombard me now, but I get another thing where I want to do sharply. Me self I feel for myself. Because you know ADEKUNLE go once you catch them like this, you want to spend 1 hour with them.
Catch
me. Yeah, and if you catch them. Catch me if you can, but we cannot. Superstar DJ in the house, but Lagos will go feel also do the needful. Make sure say you follow ADEKUNLE Gold stream, guys. A lot of songs and Valentine Day here already, and everything. I know he inspires us a lot when it gets to do with love. You go follow up. Waiting be your plan.
I can keep that to myself. No worry.
You go keep up to yourself.
No worry now.
Now, this young lady, what can be her name now? We feature inside your song. Her name don't escape me. But I know say when you come out now, go remember. I been want to ask you a question about them, but not to worry. And also, we go let you go because of time, and then keep up the good work where they do. We want the younger one. Somebody, I've been getting new artists will come in here someday they talk, and he mentioned you on how you support them. Yes, he sent a true DM. I was shocked. He tell the story of how you even fly and go Abuja. You paid for flights. Yes, he tell us that story. I go check out our YouTube to get the video. Yeah, but he talk about them, and I'm sure so many people must have DM'd you that day to come and help them too. You be helper to many. Continue to do what you they do. I will go continue to try to catch you if we really can.
Thank you very much.
Well done. Yes, I'm so sorry. Please, I apologize. Adekunle go have to go, but then you go catch the recap on the YouTube, and the rest you go see them for picture. We love you, Lagos, and maybe hi or mercy.